love to learn.
Okay guys, here you have the Dell Inspiron 5000. Okay, so that's a 17-inch Dell Inspiron, the Dell one, and it's the Inspiron 5000, just to clarify, okay guys. As you can see here, it's kind of heavy and quite big, but it's really functional, because if you're looking for a desktop that just gets the job done, nothing too fancy, it's just kind of great. And obviously, you can also watch a lot of your things on it. Like you can get to watch all your series and stuff like that. And here we have some writing, because that's writing. You know, we write on, write off, write. And here we have the keyboard, and that's a touchpad there. It's quite a big touchpad, so you can use your whole palm if you want, or finger flicks, for the two-way motion censoring. And basically that's it. I'm gonna try and turn it on for you. But just in case I don't, have a good look at this, because this is Dell Inspiron 17-inch 5000.